getting the chicken for me to kill, and I'm killing it today because we're going for night vigil tonight. As you have seen, this video is based on high demand, so I just had to do something that I've never thought of, no, done before, and it is really doing things I've never done before. Like, I'm going to catch live chicken and put inside this bag. And with what I've been told, these fowls are rude, but they will not be rude for me. Story of my life. I couldn't catch the chicken rather. Couldn't catch it though. Inside. You can see it, but attempting to catch the chicken was just so tricky. It's either they go away or they just stand up against you. Like, damn. Let's go. Push it. Come on, anyone you see, you drop. You see at all, you know, go thank God. You see, woman.
Hey, if you move it too wrong. His legs back. His legs back right on.
Is it in the bag?
Yes. That's it. Right. I got his leg.
Badass.
Where is this boy? Carry it up. I will tell you.
Hey, I tied the leg.
Yeah, sure.
Tie 2 legs now.
2 legs. Tie it. Why is there?
Do this thing now. Shelby is holding it.
Me that holding it.
Oh yeah. Come up.
Somebody hold the leg.
Oh yeah. Take. Oh yeah.
Drag it and tie it.
Tight. Nice and good. Tight. It shouldn't be that hard to tie a chicken. Moshe, you capture that.
Tight again.
So, hey.
Again.
Shove knuckles. You? Yeah.
You
can try me today.
Yeah.
You just do it like this.
No. I'll throw your phone away. You hold it like this.
Hold it.
If knife touches,
It's not soft.
if knife is inside.
You would have said that this neck of this chicken is soft.
It's inside here.
See, she was supposed to sit here.
You go here now.
No, don't worry. You have blood. Hold it together. Hold it out.
Oh, hold this chicken. And then go to me. I'm ready to jump. You're dying, my dear.
It's killing.
You're dying.
let's do it our own way. Oh, yeah, hold it.
Our own way. Is this thing that go do? Sister Rudy, this thing injure me. You know, Shele.
Oh, so go Yoruba.
Bring your head now, let me kill you. This thing can fear me.
At this point of killing this chicken, for real. I thought that the neck is soft. The knife did not go down. Is it like this? They also kill the chicken. Like this, they also kill the chicken. The last time they killed the chicken, I was not there. I want to go and buy matches.
I'm thinking your grave. Yummy. I'm thinking your grave.
Etaya. Let's try it one more time.
Wait, I'm thinking it.
I'm gonna call somebody. Maybe the person in position is that will be
Hello?
to kill. Maybe it's kill, not a position. Kill.
Hello, I'm thinking. So chicken. I can move your head. You can't see. I'm going to die. You.
Are you close?
No, go like this and video. Go like this and video. Go like this.
So we are here.
Yeah.
You.
Okay. Video. No fear. Because the video, no fear. No fear.
This knife is sharp.
Bend the knife.
Make it.
No, here. You have to show me.
Hey! You say this knife is sharp? This knife is not sharp.
Can I leave that? Leave chicken. This one is not the one place. I chase you. If I wipe you this thing, your head is full up. Your head is full up. That's to kill this chicken, don't shit. You don't shit. This chicken don't shit.
Hey, blood of Jesus.
Sister, give me the glasses now.
Okay, it's going.
Chucky, just spare him.
Okay, go increase. Come on, put it inside.
They have seen my sister kill it now. Leave her head. I finished cutting the head.
Yeah, keep down.
Yeah.